So today I'm going to show you my results so far from publishing low content books, and we're starting right now. What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you my results so far from self-publishing low content books over on Amazon. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I bring out videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than your laptop and your internet connection. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon if you want to be notified for any further videos. So, self-publishing low content books. If you don't know what that is, what we essentially do is create notebooks, journals, sketchbooks. So with the notebooks, it's just lined paper on the inside, the interior, the manuscript. So we create that, just lined paper. Then we create a cover for that book, upload it to Amazon, and Amazon takes care of everything. So every time your book sells, they print it for you, ship it off to your customer, and you receive royalties. So this is passive income. Now, if you're interested in learning how to create this passive income with low content books, then stick around to the end of the video and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to show you my results so far from self-publishing these low to no content books. Here we are in my KDP account. Now I'm going to show you how many books I have, and I'm going to tell you how long I've been doing this for. So it's coming up to a couple of months that I've actually been doing this for now. And if we scroll down, these are my books. I'm obviously going to blur them out. Now if we scroll down to the bottom, there's 10 books to a page. So I now have around 410 books published on Amazon. It would have been more, but I had slowed down my production. I'd only been doing 5 books a day, but now I'm back to doing the 10, which I'm pretty happy about. Now, making 10 books a day is really easy to do, and once you've actually learnt the process of finding ideas, creating the covers, the interior, and uploading it to KDP, your production time becomes a lot quicker. I can now publish 10 books in around an hour. So let's go over to my report, and I'm going to show you my sales. So what I want to do, I'm going to pull up the last 90 days so you can see all my sales. As you can see, Christmas was very good for me because it was Q4 and there was a lot of people buying stuff. But as you can see, even in January, I'm selling quite a few. Not as many as I'd like, and I knew that Q1, January, would actually slow down quite a lot. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see overall I have earned $500 and £277. So let's just get a calculator up. So dollars to pounds. Get the calculator up as well. So let's convert this all into dollars and see what I have earned in the last couple of months. So I'm going to take this 277, go over to here, plug that in here, paste, so that's 356. We're going to do that. Paste, add the 523. Paste, equals $856.94. Now, considering I really haven't been doing this that long, I've got some pretty good results, all because I already understood POD, that's print on demand, and that's all this essentially is. So most people know Merch by Amazon, Teespring, Sunfrog, but they don't know about selling these low content books. Now there's so many different types that you can create. You can create blank recipe cookbooks, which I also sell. You can create sketchbooks, which is essentially just blank paper. You can create journals, notebooks. Now the main source of my library is notebooks. So I create a cover, I create an interior. The interior is just lined paper. And once I've created that interior, I can use that over and over again, just with a different cover. And like I said before, all this income is completely passive. So even though I work on this business every single day and upload new books, if I was to stop doing that, I would still make sales, passive income, from all my previous books I have published. Now, if we want, let's see how many books I have actually sold since I've been doing this. Not the bookshelf. How many units, I mean. Let's go back to reports. Let's go to the new KDP beta. We're going to see, if that's going to load, that I have actually sold over... That's not right. So let's just go 90 days. I have sold 350 units of my books, which I'm pretty happy about. So let's go back. So if you're interested in learning how to run this business, how to create the interiors, how to come up with an unlimited amount of ideas for your books, so you can never ever run out of ideas, then I do have a course I've recently put together called Printing Profits. And with this course, this is going to take you step by step on everything I do, from finding the ideas to creating the covers to uploading it to my keyword research, just everything I've done to get these results, so you can get results like these too. And again, that course is called Printing Profits. It's just here. But if you're interested, it's only available to the Stackers Inner Circle at the minute. And because it's only available to the Inner Circle, there is a half off right now until the 23rd. So if you're interested, come and join the Stackers Inner Circle. It's completely free. Now, if you like this video, let me know in the comments down below. I will be doing more videos like this, probably once a week, every 2 weeks, so you can see my results and see how my low content book publishing business is actually going. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave that comment. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.